Could this tiny fishing rod really be your ultimate travel companion? We're diving into the MHYSADG fishing rod full kit, and I have to say, its promise of portability and versatility immediately caught my attention. This isn't just another fishing rod. It's designed to be your go-to for spontaneous angling adventures, whether you're by the sea, a quiet river, or even a winter lake. What truly stands out is how compact this setup is. The mini telescopic design means it shrinks down to an incredibly manageable size, making it effortless to toss into a backpack or car trunk. No more lugging around cumbersome gear. The rod itself, available in lengths like 1, 1.6, or 1.8 meters, is crafted from a blend of fiberglass and fibercarbon. This combination gives it a surprising amount of flexibility and resilience. It feels lightweight in the hand, yet the carbon construction means it can handle a good bend, and it's built to resist high temperatures, corrosion, and friction. That's a lot of durability packed into such a small package. Just remember to keep it away from power sources, as the manufacturer wisely advises. The handle is another thoughtful touch. It's made with a non-slip material and features a pleasant wood color finish, which not only adds a touch of elegance, but also ensures a secure grip even when things get wet. It's clear that comfort and aesthetics were considered here. Now let's talk about the reel. This kit comes with a spinning reel made from a durable aluminum alloy and ABS, sporting a vibrant blue color that matches the rod. With a gear ratio of 5:1, it's a solid all-rounder, offering a good balance of power and speed for retrieving your catch. It's also incredibly light at just 175 grams, or about 6 ounces, so it won't weigh you down. The line capacity is decent for its size, handling lines like 0.18 up to 240 meters, or 0.25 for 125 meters. While it's not designed for monster deep-sea battles, for freshwater and light saltwater fishing, it's perfectly adequate and feels smooth in operation. The fact that this is a full kit is a huge bonus, especially for beginners or those who just want to grab and go. Depending on the kit you choose, you get the rod, the reel, and often a 100-meter nylon line, plus baits and hooks. It's essentially everything you need to start fishing right out of the box, which is incredibly convenient. In terms of performance, for a telescopic rod of this price point and portability, it genuinely impresses. Casting feels responsive enough, and the reel engages without fuss. It's not going to replace a high-end, specialized setup, but for casual fishing, travel, or even introducing someone new to the sport, it's a fantastic option. It truly delivers on its promise of being easy to carry and versatile across different fishing environments. So, if you're an angler who values convenience, portability, and a surprisingly capable setup for various fishing adventures, the MHYSADG Fishing Rod Full Kit is definitely worth considering. It's a compact powerhouse that makes getting out on the water simpler and more accessible than ever.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.